Meet Chronicle, the smart, simple way to manage your team's time and attendance from one central platform. Spreadsheets and manual processes make managing attendance and payroll a constant headache. With Chronicle, managers get a single hub for live data, schedules, timesheets, and more, all in one place. Employees clock in with our mobile app or on secure GT8 and IT11 terminals, whatever suits your workplace. Managers see attendance update instantly. Who's in, who's late, and who's absent, all at a glance. Scheduling shifts and approving absences is simple, with everything managed in one central place. And when you're on the move, the Chronicle Manager app keeps you connected, so you're never out of touch. Accurate timesheets are ready for payroll in just a click, cutting hours of admin and eliminating costly errors. Chronicle simplifies time and attendance, saving you time, reducing errors, and giving you peace of mind. Free consultation with one of our experts today.